Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review the Vive Scalp Hair Serum and talk about whether this K-beauty product actually works. So let's start with what it's designed to do. This serum focuses on improving scalp health, which is often overlooked when it comes to hair care. Now, by nourishing the scalp, it can help reduce dryness, flakiness, and irritation, which are some of the biggest reasons for weak or thinning hair. A healthier scalp means better conditions for stronger, fuller strands to grow. The texture is lightweight and non-greasy, which is a big plus compared to heavier oils. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave residue, so you can use it daily without messing up your styling routine. Many users report that after a few weeks, their scalp feels more hydrated and they notice less hair shedding. That's not surprising since consistent hydration and nutrients can help strengthen the roots. That said, let's keep it real. If your hair loss is due to medical conditions like stress or genetics, no serum is going to be a miracle cure. But if you're dealing with mild thinning, weak strands, or scalp dryness, Vive can definitely support healthier growth over time. Personally, I think it's a solid option if you want to add scalp care into your routine. It won't transform your hair overnight, but it helps build long-term scalp health, and that's where stronger hair really begins. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.